Chapter 1 Relations and Functions Part 13 Binary Operations. In this video we discuss definition of binary operations, commutativity of binary operation, associativity and existence of identity element, existence of inverse of an element and some problems related to binary operations. A binary operation star on a set A is a function star maps from A cross A to A. Binary operation is usually denoted by star and this star is a function. Star maps ordered pair AB of A cross B to an unique element A star B in A. For every ordered pair AB belongs to A cross A, there exists an unique image A star B in A. Star is a function on A. Now take ordered pair AB belongs to A cross A, then apply star on this ordered pair AB. We get an unique element A star B. If A star B belongs to A and it is unique, then star is a binary operation. Addition maps from A cross A to A, where A is set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not a binary operation, since 2 plus 4 equal to 6, 6 not belongs to A. Now here A cross A consists elements of the form ordered pairs 1, 1. Here set A is set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A cross A consists 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, etc. 1, 5, 2, 1, 2, 2, etc. etc. 5, 5. Now this, when we apply addition to this ordered pair, we get 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So 1, 1 maps to 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So ordered pair 1, 2 maps to 3. Ordered pair 1, 3 maps to 4, etc. Now this element 2, 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now 6 not belongs to A. So this element has no image. So this star, this addition is not a binary operation. When we consider addition on set of natural numbers, it is a binary operation. For any two natural numbers A and B, A plus B belongs to N. Similarly, addition on set, addition maps from set cross set to set is a binary operation. Sum of two integers is again an integer. Addition maps from Q cross Q to Q, where Q is set of all rational numbers. Numbers of the form A by B, B not equal to 0, A comma B belongs to set. Plus maps from Q cross Q to Q is a binary operation. And addition on R, set of all real numbers, is a binary operation. When we add two real numbers, A plus B is again a real number. So addition on N, Z, Q and R are binary operations. Now subtraction on set is a binary operation. On Q, subtraction is a binary operation, and on R, set of all real numbers, subtraction is a binary operation. Any two integer, take any two integer A and B, A minus B is again an integer. So subtraction is a binary operation on set Q and R. But when we consider subtraction on set of all natural numbers, it is not a binary operation, because ordered pair 1, 2 belongs to N cross N, but 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1, minus 1 not belongs to N. So subtraction on N is not a binary operation. Now consider multiplication. Multiplication maps from N cross N to N is a binary operation. Take any two natural number A and B. A into B, AB is again a natural number. Similarly, multiplication defined on set Q and R are binary operations. But when we consider division on N, Z, Q and R, division is not a binary operation. Now here division maps from N cross N to N. Ordered pair 1, 2 belongs to N cross N, but 1 by 2 not belongs to N. Ordered pair 2, 3 belongs to set cross set, but 2 by 3 not belongs to set. So division is not a binary operation on n and set. Now in the case of rational numbers, 0 belongs to Q. Ordered pair 1 0 belongs to Q cross Q, but 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 0 not belongs to Q. Similarly, set of all real numbers consists of 0. Here we have ordered pair 2 0. 2 0 belongs to R cross R, but 2 by 0 not belongs to R. So division is not a binary operation on Q and R. Now take R star as non-zero real numbers. That is R star equal to set of all real numbers minus set 0. Eliminate 0 from set of all real numbers. Then division maps from R star cross R star to R star is a binary operation. Take any two non-zero real numbers A and B. A by B is a non-zero real number. A by B belongs to R star. So division on R star is a binary operation. Commutative binary operation. A binary operation star on a set A is said to be commutative if A star B equal to B star A for all AB belongs to A. Condition for commutativity is A star B equal to B star A for all AB belongs to A. Addition is a commutative binary operation because, for example, 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2. We need two real numbers A and B. A plus B equal to B plus A. Similarly, multiplication is a commutative binary operation. For any two real numbers A and B, A into B equal to B into A. So addition and multiplications are commutative binary operations. But subtraction and divisions are not commutative because 3 minus 5 minus 2, which is not equal to 5 minus 3. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2, which is not equal to 2 divided by 4. So subtraction and division are not commutative. Now associative binary operation. A binary operation star on A is said to be associative if A star B star C equal to A star B star C for all A, B, C belongs to A. To prove star is associative, we have to take three elements. A, B, C belongs to the given set A, and we have to prove that A star B. Okay, group these two terms A and B. A star B. First apply star to these two elements A star B, then apply star with C. A star B star C equal to A star. First apply star to B and C, then star A. A star inside bracket B star C. Now addition and multiplications are associative binary operations. Consider three elements 2, 3 and 4. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. Again here first we add 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So addition is associative. Similarly multiplication is associative. 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 3 is 30. 5 into 3 is 15, 15 into 2 is 30. For any three numbers A, B, C, for any three real numbers A, B, C, A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. And similarly for any three real numbers A, B, C, A into B into C equal to A into B into C. So addition and multiplications are associative binary operations. Now subtraction and division are not associative. For example, 2 minus 3 minus 4. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5. Here 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 2 minus minus 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. Similarly, division is not a associative binary operation. Existence of identity. Given a binary operation star maps from A cross A to A, an element E belongs to A if it exists is called identity for the operation star if A star A equal to A, that is equal to E star A for all A belongs to A. E is said to be identity if A star E equal to A, that is equal to E star A for all A belongs to A. For addition, 0 is the identity element because we have for any number, for example take 2, 2 plus 0 equal to 2, which is equal to 0 plus 2. 5 plus 0 equal to 5, which is equal to 0 plus 5. Addition is commutative, so we have to take 2 plus 0 equal to 0. Star commutative ആണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു സൈഡ് മാത്രം എടുത്താൽ മതി, കാരണം A star E equal to E star A ആയിരിക്കും. പൊതുവെ ഐഡൻറ്റിറ്റി കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ രണ്ട് ഇക്വേഷനും ഉപയോഗിക്കേണ്ടി വരും. A star E equal to A, E star A equal to A ഉപയോഗിക്കണം. സ്റ്റാർ കമ്മ്യൂട്ടേറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ഈ ഒരു ഇക്വേഷൻ മാത്രം എടുത്താൽ മതി. A star E equal to A മാത്രം എടുത്താൽ മതിയാകും. Now 1 is the identity for multiplication. 5 into 1 equal to 5. There is no identity for the operations division and subtraction. For instance, A minus 0 equal to A equal to 0 minus C. Okay, so അങ്ങനെ ആവാൻ പറ്റില്ല. 0 is not the identity. നമുക്കൊരു E കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അതായത് A minus E equal to A എന്ന് കിട്ടണം. That's equal to E minus A. ഈ ഒരു ഇക്വേഷൻ സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ചെയ്യുന്ന E കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. For division, there exists no identity element which satisfies A by E equal to A, which is equal to E by A. So there is no identity for division and subtraction. Now inverse of an element. Inverse is defined only if identity element exists. Given a binary operation star maps from A cross A to A with identity element E in A. An element A belongs to A is said to be invertible with respect to the operation star if there exists an element B belongs to A such that A star B equal to E equal to B star A, and B is called the inverse of A and is denoted by A inverse. Okay, for any element A, if there exists an element B belongs to A such that A star B equal to E identity, that is equal to B star A, then B is the inverse of A and is denoted by A inverse. Now for addition, plus maps from R cross R to R. For any real number A, there exists minus A belongs to R such that A plus minus A equal to 0, that's equal to minus A plus A. For example, 2 belongs to R, 2 plus minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2 is the additive inverse of 2. Minus 5 is the additive inverse of 5. 9 is the additive inverse of minus 9. Now multiplication maps from R cross R to R. For any A belongs to R, 1 by A is an element of R such that A into 1 by A equal to 1, that is equal to 1 by A into A. 5 into 1 by 5 equal to 1. 7 into 1 by 7 equal to 1. So 1 by 7 is the inverse of 7. 1 by 9 is the multiplicative inverse of 9. 10 is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 10. Now here we have a problem. Show that star maps from R cross R to R given by ordered pair AB to A plus 4B square is a binary operation. A star B is A plus 4B square. For any real numbers A and B, A plus 4B square is also a real number. B is real, B square is real number. 4 into a real number is again real number. A plus A is real, sum of two real numbers is real numbers. So A plus 4B square is also a real number. We get a unique real number A plus 4B square. So star is a binary operation. A plus 4B square. A star B is defined as A plus 4B square is a binary operation. Now second one is star defined on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by A star B equal to LCM of A and B, a binary operation. Justify your answer. LCM is the least common multiple. Okay, LCM is least common multiple. When we consider two elements A equal to 2 and B equal to 3, multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. common multiples of 2 and 3. Common multiples of 2 and 3, 6, 12, 18, etc. From those, least common multiple is 6. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. By using long division method, we can find LCM. Okay. Here there is no common factor between 2 and 3. Then LCM is 2 into 3, 6. Now 6 is not belongs to the given set. 6 is not in given set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So star is not a binary operation. Now LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 4 belongs to given set. But LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. 12 not belongs to given set, etc. So star is not a binary operation. Now next problem. If star is a binary operation on set Q of rational numbers such that A star B equal to 2A minus B whole square, AB belongs to Q. Okay, A star B is 2A minus B whole square, AB belongs to set of all rational numbers. Find 3 star 5 and 5 star 3. Is 3 star 5 equal to 5 star 3? A star B equal to 2A minus B whole square. Now we have to find 3 star 5. Put A equal to 3 and B equal to 5. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 minus 5 whole square, that is 1 square, which is equal to 1. Now 5 star 3. Okay, put A equal to 5, B equal to 3. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 square is 49. So clearly 3 star 5 is not equal to 5 star 3. So star is not commutative. Now here, if star is a binary operation on Q defined by A star B equal to 3AB by 5. Show that star is commutative as well as associative. Also find its identity if it exists. A star B is defined as 3AB by 5. AB belongs to Q. Okay, A star B is 3AB by 5. B star A is 3BA by 5. Now this BA is equal to AB. Okay, B into A is equal to A into B. Multiplication is commutative. So A star B is equal to B star A. So star is commutative. Now to prove associativity, we have to take 3 elements A, B, C. Now A star, B star, C. Now first apply star to this bracket. B star C is, by definition, A star B is 3AB by 5. So B star C is 3BC by 5. In the place of AB, here we have B and C. So 3BC by 5. Now this is of the form A star D. Take this bracket as D. A star D. A star D equal to 3AD by 5. 3A, this is our D. 3AD by 5. So here we have to write 3BC by 5. Now simplifying this, 3A into 3BC is 9ABC. Now this by 5 is into 1 by 5. 5 into 5, 25. So answer is 9ABC by 25. Now A star B star C. A star B is 3AB by 5 star C. Now take this bracket as D. D star C. That is 3DC by 5. That is 3 into 3AB by 5 into C by 5. Okay, 3DC by 5. D is 3AB by 5. 3 into 3 is 9. ABC. Now here by 5. Then this divide by 5 is into 1 by 5. So we get 5 into 5, 25. 9ABC by 25. So A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. For all ABC belongs to Q. So star is associative. Now existence of identity element. E belongs to Q is said to be identity if A star E equal to A, that is equal to E star A, or A star E equal to E star A equal to A. Here we have star is commutative. സോ വി ഹാവ് ടു ടേക്ക് എ സ്റ്റാർ ഇ ഈക്വൽ ടു എ. ഒരു ഇക്വേഷൻ എടുത്താൽ മതി. സ്റ്റാർ കമ്മ്യൂട്ടേറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു പാർട്ട് മാത്രം എടുത്താൽ മതി. എ സ്റ്റാർ ഇ ഈക്വൽ ടു എ. കമ്മ്യൂട്ടേറ്റീവ് അല്ല എങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ രണ്ട് ഇക്വേഷനും എടുത്തിട്ട് ഇ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. ആ രണ്ട് ഇയും ഈക്വൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ഇ എക്സിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുള്ളൂ എന്ന് നമുക്ക് പറയാൻ പറ്റും. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ സ്റ്റാർ കമ്മ്യൂട്ടേറ്റീവ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് എ സ്റ്റാർ ഇ ഈക്വൽ ടു എ, ഈ ഒരു ഇക്വേഷൻ മാത്രം നമ്മൾ എടുത്താൽ മതി. എ സ്റ്റാർ ഇ ഈക്വൽ ടു എ. നൗ എ സ്റ്റാർ ഇ ബൈ ഡെഫിനിഷൻ 3AE by 5 ദാറ്റ്സ് ഈക്വൽ ടു എ. ഇവിടെ ഡെഫിനിഷൻ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക, സ്റ്റാറിൻ്റെ ഡെഫിനിഷൻ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. എ സ്റ്റാർ ഇ ഈക്വൽ ടു 3AE by 5 that's equal to a. Now take this a to RHS, a by a 1, then take 5 to RHS, 3 to RHS. Cross multiply ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 5 ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിലേക്ക് പോകും, 3 ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ വരും. So e is equal to 5 by 3. This element belongs to set of all rational numbers. So e is equal to 5 by 3. So the identity element is 5 by 3. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഐഡൻറ്റിറ്റി കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇൻവേഴ്സ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. ഫൈൻഡ് ഇൻവേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ആൻ എലമെൻറ്റ് 4 അണ്ടർ സ്റ്റാർ. ഹിയർ എ സ്റ്റാർ ബീസ് 3AB by 5, a equal to 4. Okay, now if b is the inverse of a, we have a star b equal to e equal to b star a. ഇവിടെ സ്റ്റാർ കമ്മ്യൂട്ടേറ്റീവ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ ഒരു പാർട്ട് മാത്രം നമ്മൾ എടുത്താൽ മതി. ബി കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ ഈ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇക്വേഷൻ മാത്രം എടുത്താൽ മതി. അല്ലാത്ത പക്ഷം രണ്ട് ഇക്വേഷൻ എടുത്തിട്ട് ബി കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. അത് രണ്ടും ഈക്വൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ എക്സിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയുള്ളൂ. ഈ കേസിൽ കമ്മ്യൂട്ടേറ്റീവ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് എ സ്റ്റാർ ബി ഈക്വൽ ടു ഇ, ഈ ഒരു പാർട്ട് മാത്രം എടുത്താൽ മതി. നൗ എ ഇസ് 4, സോ 4 സ്റ്റാർ ബി ഈക്വൽ ടു ഇ ഇസ് 5 by 3. നൗ അപ്ലൈ ഡെഫിനിഷൻ ഓഫ് സ്റ്റാർ 3 into a into b. Here a is 4, so 3 into 4 into b by 5 equal to 5 by 3. Take 5 to this side, 5 into 5 25, 3 into 3 9, 4b equal to 25 by 9. So b equal to 25 divided by 9 into 4 36. That is ab equal to 25 by 9, b equal to 25 divided by 9a. So a inverse for any a inverse is 25 by 9a. So a 4 എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ its inverse is 25 by 36. In general a inverse equal to 25 by 9a. ഈ രീതിയിലാണ് നമ്മൾ a inverse കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. ആദ്യം ഐഡൻറ്റിറ്റി എലമെൻറ്റ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം, അതിനുശേഷം മാത്രമേ ഇൻവേഴ്സ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റൂ. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.